What's up, guys? This video is kind of like an update on the startup idea that we've been doing throughout this channel. I haven't been able to give you an update about the stuff that we've been doing, so this video is going to be that video. So I think some of the things we've planned for this idea that we've planned to achieve, some of our benchmark, we haven't actually hit it, but yeah, so let's go. I'm gonna show you everything, so stay around. But on reaching there, I luckily stumbled upon someone. He's called the agricultural analyst, So I was so lucky I saw him. What are you doing here? Yeah, it's videoing. Don't worry, I'll cut that. I'll cut it from there. So after seeing him, I have to beg him to be on the video, and he brought some onions that he was actually planting. So I asked him about the soy-based vertical farm, and he saw a lot of flaws in it because number one, it was in a container that I'm planting those ugus, and he told me that ugu is kind of a heavy eater. Like it consumes a lot of nutrient, and the nutrient in each soil in the plastic bottle is not enough for it. So, and he also talks about that the plastic bottles does not have good depth, and that is why some of the soil roots I say soil roots that's why some of the plant roots get entangled, so they cannot go anywhere, so they will just be there. So another thing he talked about was the spacing, which I know it was a problem. He said that it's okay as it is now, but in the case of maybe if one of the plants is being infected, the sick illness can spread very fast because all the ugu are touching each other. And I'm so sorry you can't hear him because the audio is so bad. I was using my phone to record the audio, but I didn't know that I didn't press record after shooting the video. So I'm very sorry. Wait, you have something? Just one. I think we are going to see it. Wow.
So something like that. The roots don't go that deep, and it's okay. Like now.
Oh.
This is it. It doesn't
Wow.
go that deep, so it's fine. And the container is even wide, big, like to the size of a very big orange.
So this your onions. How do you are telling me that it could give. You were telling me the process of
Okay, the process of the onions.
Yeah.
The process of the onions is quite big. It's big.
Yeah.
And it's something like for every stage you show it. But I shall tell you what it's doing. This is the beginning process. I've already cut
the how
prepared-
many you cut each?
Yes, I got
from
4 onions. You need
Wow.
4 onions.
Not
to
one. You cannot use one and cut. That's something they do with yams.
And you don't necessarily need to cut it like this, so. But I'm cutting this cutting it like this is less wasteful. That's
Than-
what you consider a waste, but there's nothing like waste in agriculture. This thing I cut, I'm sure some people while they are cooking they will just cut this thing and throw away. You see?
Yeah, it's true. Even myself, I just cut the up and the down and just throw it,
away. And that part you can actually grow it and to grow.
and you get more,
And you
more
get more.
for
And you
so
don't-
long.
and some of them you don't even need farmland, you just need a container.
Wow.
Like this container, this gallon container, you can just cut it open like that, and you'll be able to plant at least 10 onions on the inside.
Just imagine, and you are
Because
done.
Onions is even a shallow water.
And it
can
grow.
Yeah, I think it can. It might. The only reason why it will not be able to grow in this kind of container is that the bulb. Imagine the onions growing in this thing. It will get big. Okay, imagine putting onions inside this container. It will not fit now.
It's true.
So and container also constraints. This container will not be like a barrier. Maybe the onions will start growing and it wants
And
to
now
get bigger,
forms-
but the container is preventing it, and to stop there, that's when it decays. Or sometimes you can actually plant onions and it will just bolt. Because all the onions you see you buy in market,
Yeah.
they actually have not reached the flowering stage. Once onions reach the flowering stage, once you see its flower, most farmers hate it. Most onion farmers
They hate it. Why?
unless they themselves want that one to flower. But if on onions flower on its own, they hate it because once it's flower, it cannot longer last long in shelf. The shelf life will reduce.
Wow.
It will spoil faster. So a normal onions you buy in the market might last you like a week, two, depending on where you keep it. But one that has bolted cannot last that long. It will start spoiling.
I think that's it. So you have like your Facebook handle. I'll just put it for some of you that want to like ask him questions. I'll put in his like social media.
Yeah, it's mostly
Handle.
Facebook. So I also have TikTok, but I don't know what TikTok is. TikTok algorithm is not.
It's
You know,
not
most people
that
just enter
pumping.
TikTok. They don't really go
No.
there to go and be seeing agriculture. But I
Yeah.
think Facebook does it for me. So Facebook.
So-
Though you can also put the TikTok on just in case I.
So I'll put all the links in the description so you can go ahead and ask him. Like some of you that have been like thinking of what agriculture is, you want to plant like you want to get some insights on some of like little farm ideas. Please, you can reach out to him. He has like all the knowledge. Like he's basically he has planted like pepper one time, and I think this is what is this?
Okay. The big one. That's
Yeah.
pineapple.
Pineapple. Wow,
Yeah.
wow. So thank you very much. I really appreciate it. So I think next step that I'm gonna do for this. Actually, he told me that I'm going to like transplant them, but I don't know if I'm going to do that. So on the other side that we're going to be like today. I think I'm going to be adding the fertilizers if I would get any today, because I was hoping to get the fertilizers. So going under it. So this is too small. Wait, I'm coming. Let me go to the other side. So this is our second location. Say hi to the video. This is marvelous. So actually, this is the little remaining ugu we have. Help me with your daddy's buckets. So we're going to be cutting it because somebody wanted to buy. So we're going to be cutting the excess. Yeah, we're harvesting for this.
And harvesting.
All right. As you'll be blessed. So actually, the other side we planted like how many seeds? I think it was like 90 something plants there. So here is like the remaining of the plants. So total was about 400 ugu plants. But as you see, not much are growing. Like this side is like growing very well, but the back is not growing very well. So I'm going to like show you. So the 400 seeds are now not 400 seeds. So that's a very big challenge that we're having now, because we already calculated the amount we're going to get from the 400 seeds, and now it's not even up to like 200 seeds. Yeah, let me show you. And by the way, I planted like some corns here, but now I'm seeing that they are not like spaced well, so that is going to be a problem. Actually, I wanted it to be like a fence, you know. So these are the ugu. Yeah. So I'll show you the other side that it's not, that they are not coming up. Actually, it was a particular ugu pond I bought that was not doing well. You can see how small they are. So I'm going to weed them today. But you can see how small they are. but compared to these ones that have already grown, and I planted these ones first, so that's a problem. Some here are growing, but not all. I think that's the main problem that we have. What's up? How you doing? So then I also planted like some corns on the edge of the farm. So I think that's it. So that's it. There are some problems. So this is the updates for the farm. So actually I'm also like waiting to harvest it because we are like 30,000 naira in debt. So because of our farm is not like actually booming, we have like about a week to pay, so I think that's just it. So these are the two challenges. I guess we are done with the cutting and weeding. So why are you laughing now? Okay, wait now. You are going for class. Alright. So we are done with the weeding. Actually, I think the only thing left now is for me to hope that we're gonna sell much. Actually, the one we cut today, we harvested some. That one was the owner of the farm. He's right here. All right, sir. Let me be going now. So we are like, I think there's a voice note I did with him. So I'll just let it play. So that's it. Before I forget, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can hit the like button and tell me what you are building next, so I'll know. Thank you very much for watching till this very moment. Yeah.